Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I will share how I've been getting ready for the upcoming semester at the university using different gadgets and technologies. If you are new to my channel, I'm Ka. This channel is where I share my experience and tutorial using different gadgets and software for entertainment and teaching. I will also share my favorite recipe with you all as well in this channel. If you have already subscribed, thank you for coming back again. If you are new, please consider subscribing to the channel. This channel needs your support to grow. For those of you who don't know me, I actually teach full-time at a university in the United States. This past semester have been very challenging due to the global health crisis, and this upcoming semester happens in a month or so will be also challenging as well. So I'll be using videos to lecture my courses almost exclusively in the upcoming semester. Fortunately, I've been acquiring different gadgets and skills. Hopefully it will up my games in the upcoming semester. Now all these gadgets that I've been reviewing, this includes the camlink 4K, the generic video capture card, my video editing techniques in Premiere Elements, and just most recently I got myself an iPad Air 3 and a Apple Pencil. I know, this iPad Air 3 is a year old already and there's nothing new to it. But recently I've spotted Best Buy is having a $100 discount on a lot of the iPad model. This includes the 256 iPad Air model. And with the $100 discount, I was able to get the Apple Pencil within a reasonable budget. So let's look at why I think it was a good idea to get the iPad Air 3. Now previously I've already owned a iPad Air 2. I got the new one mostly because it supports the Apple Pencil. So let's take a look why I think I can teach more efficiently with the combination of the iPad Air 3, the Apple Pencil, camlink, and the OBS Studio software. So here you are looking at a screen capture actually through the HDMI connections to the camlink 4K. Now I know the iPad Air 3 have a internal screen recording functions which just works fine to record what you are doing on the iPad, but with the recording function turned on, sometimes your performance could be lowered, and a lot of the time the video file recorded on the iPad is too large or a little bit on a larger side to work with. Now instead I like to using the camlink and in conjunction with the OBS Studio to capture the screen from the iPad. Now here we are navigating on the typical iPad screen. There's nothing fancy about it. In terms of doing teaching with the iPad, I like to use the app called the Notability. Now this app has been reviewed by a lot of YouTubers already, so I'm not going to go into a very specific detail about this app and how it does for note-taking, but what I liked about this Notability is actually it can do a full screen capture of what you are doing with your slides. Okay, so here you are looking at one of my lecture actually from last year. I haven't updated yet from the 2019 fall semester. I teaches the part of the lecture of courses in the medical microbiology. Anyhow, so what I like is that I could scroll my screen, okay, within the Notability. The Notability app can import PowerPoint or PDF directly, and you can work on it. Now, with this scrolling functions, I can talk my slides along with my scrolling, and what is best is the note-taking ability comes with the Apple Pencil in conjunction with the specific app. This is really nice. That's how I feel. The note-taking ability with the Apple Pencil and the Notability app, it is it's just a heaven for instructor in my opinion. So here is how I had demonstrated, okay, what is microbiology. Okay, I can highlight it in along with my presentations while I'm speaking, and I can do drawings. This is coronavirus, okay. But anyhow, so I can do note writing, all in one device, and as well as being recorded in a real-time fashion. So this is really a convenient way to quickly do a lot of lecture, and also it's a small element that I feel it can capture students' attention. So the second app that I want to mention along within the iPad and in conjunction with using the Apple Pencil is the app called GoodNote. Again, this is a note that actually a lot of people have been reviewing and talked about how good it is to produce perfect or almost perfect lecture handout or notes. Here it's I'm in the interface and I am writing on the notes directly. Now there's a lot of different pencil styles and width and length and colors and everything you can go along with it. It just makes everything very pretty and legible. And if you go online, there are actually many review talking about how to use GoodNote to take note alongside with using Notability as well. So I can basically write down notes, handwritten notes for my students. Okay, so this is another add-on features that I feel it could help my students to learn. So I just very quickly shared how I would use my Apple Pencil and iPad Air 3 to facilitate or help me to teach more efficiently in the upcoming semester. So in the upcoming few weeks, I'll be sharing my preparation experience and as well as any other software to help me to teach more efficiently online. Now, I don't know how many of you watching my videos are actually do some type of a teaching jobs. Actually, it doesn't matter if you're teaching in a university, in a company, doing some instructional demonstrations, or in teaching in grade school. I think this combinations would be very beneficial for anyone who does any amount of teaching. So if you like my video today, please give me a thumbs up and a like. Leave some comments down below so that we can discuss what you think. Alright, that is a short update for this week, and I will see you again next time. Bye.